Hi, welcome back to Dr. Zahid Math channel. Today we are going to solve the Laplace equation on a square mesh focusing on pivotal boundary points. I'll guide you step by step using standard 5-point formula and diagonal 5-point formula methods, which is SFPF and DFPF. And I'll show you also how iteration works with only standard 5-point formula. By the end of this video, you will be confident in handling this problem for your course, right? So grab your iPad and let's dive in. First question, solve del square u equal to 0 at the pivotal points. You can say what? At the pivotal points. Yes. In the boundary of the square mesh using Liebman's iteration process. Liebman's iteration process, right? Look at the picture. The values, all the boundary values are given. So this point is 1000, 500, 0, 0, 0, 500, 1000, 1000, 1000, 1000. All the corner points they have given. Only thing is your job is to find these interior grid points values. Okay, right. So you're going to calculate U1, U2, U3, U4, right? So first thing is you're going to calculate what? Rough values. So it is not included in the iterations, keep in your mind. First you're going to calculate rough values. For the rough values, U1 must be calculated by DFPF. DFPF means what? Diagonal 5-point formula. U2, U3, U4 you have to calculate by standard 5-point formula. Okay. But one important thing you have to keep in this problem, especially for 9 square mesh, assume in the initial stage U4 is equal to 0. Initially, keep in your mind, initially, in the first initial stages. Later you can take this U4 value, okay? Keep in your mind. So these are the things you have to remember. Once again, I'll repeat. U1, you need to calculate DFPF. U2, U3, U4, you have to calculate using DFPF, using SFPF. U4, you must assume 0 initially. So these are the things you have to be careful. So I put the pictures again here because I wanted to calculate, right? So now first I'm going to calculate U1. Let me reduce the size so that I can be able to finish in one page. Right, U1 I'm going to calculate by diagonal 5-point formula. Again I'll write diagonal 5-point formula. So this is your U1 diagonal 5-point formula. Keep in your mind. So you're going for diagonal this side and this side and this side and this side. So you're going to use 1 by 4 bracket open, right? U4, right? So let me go left, this side and this side and this side and this side. So you're going to put U4 plus 1000 plus and U3. These points are not calculated. Sorry, this is not yet come. I have to write it, sorry. So this is 1000, this is 500 and this is 0. And this is 2000. Okay, this is also 2000, right? So I copied, it is not copied, the values are copied here. Also let me write it, just a minute. 1000 and 500 and then 0 and then 0, and here it is 2000, here it is 2000. Okay, right. So U4 plus and then 2000, okay, plus 1000, right? So this U4 initially you are going to assume it's at 0. So just put it in the calculator, you will get 1000, right? Next U2 and U3, then U4 you are going to calculate what? You are going to calculate by SFPF. Keep in your mind, you are going to calculate by SFPF only. That means using standard 5-point formula only, right? Which is equal to 1 by 4 bracket open. So U2 you are going to calculate this point and this point. You're going this way and you're going to this way, then you're going this way, then you're coming to this way, right? So which is standard 5-point formula, right? Yes, so 1 by 4, which is U1 plus 500 plus 1000 plus this side U1, this is 500, sorry, 500 plus this one is 1000 plus U4, right? Yes, U4 still we have not got it, so just put it 0 only. So you're going to get this one 625. I stop the video, I calculate and come back. Okay, keep in your mind. So U3 equals 1 by 4 bracket open. U3 is this point and you're going this side, which is 2000, and then U4 then u1 and then 500. Okay, so u4 is equal to 1 by 4 2000 plus u4 plus u1 plus 500, which is equal to u1. Here also you are going to assume initially as what? U4 is equal to what? 0. U4 is equal to 0. Still we did not get u4 value, so I am assuming as 0. So which is 875. Next u2, u3, u4 all we calculated, right? This is u3 or u4? Sorry, u3, right? Sorry, u3 is 875. Next we are going to calculate u4. So let me box it so that we will not make mistakes. u1 is 1000. This is u1, right? And u2 is 625. u3 is 875. u4 is 1 by 4 standard 5-point formula. u4, I think before I make a line, okay, u4 we are making left side, which is u3, and right side 0, then u2, then 0, right? So which is u3 plus 0 plus u2 plus 0. So this equals 1 by 4. u3, you just take this value, immediate value, keep in your mind, that's the main process of this one, plus 0 plus u2 also, from here you have to take it, 625 plus 0. So if you put all these things in the calculator, you will get 1 by 4, no need, 375 is u4, right? So all these things we calculated. Now we are going to find what? First iterations we are going, right? In the first iteration we are going for what? We are going for SFPF only. So keep in your mind, first iteration we are going. So first iteration we are going for u1, u2, u3, right, and u4. All these values you are going to calculate only by SFPF only, right? Standard 5-point formula only, keep in your mind. Okay, right? So standard 5-point formula you are going, which is equal to u1 equals 1 by 4 bracket open, 1 by 4 bracket open, 1 by 4 bracket open, 1 by 4 bracket open. So u1 standard 5-point formula, you go this side and this side, then this side and this side. So it means you are going with this one 2000, right? And then plus you are coming this side, which is how much? Which is u2, right? 2000 plus u2 plus 1000, okay, plus u3. Am I right? Yes. Write the formula. I'll come back to you what to do, right? Then u4 is u4. Sorry, u2 is u1 500. This is 500. This is 0. This is 0. This is 500. Okay, right. So this is 500. Okay, right. And this 1000 and then this u4, right? Yes. So u2 is equal to u1 plus 500 plus 1000 plus u4. u3 is equal to, this side you go u3 and then this is 2000 plus u4 plus u1 plus 500. So u3 is equal to 2000 plus u4 plus u1 plus 500. Am I right? 2000 u4 u1 500. Yes. u4 is equal to 1 by 4. u4 you go, this is your u4. So this one 0 and this one 0, this one u3, then this one u2 you are going. So u4 is equal to u3 plus 0 plus u2 plus 0, right? So all these things you have to write it, but we are not going to do manual work because we have only 4 constants. I'm going to use calculator, keep in your mind. For u1 you just use the calculator A, u2 you just use the calculator B, sorry, in the calculator use the key B, and this is C, and u4 is equal to D. So use these keys and you're going to write all these 4 equations. I'm going to write it. So how you're going to write it? So this is equal to u1, right, which is A equals 1 by 4 bracket open, 2000 plus u2 is B plus 1000 plus u3 is what? C, colon, press colon. Then B is equal to 1 by 4 bracket open, A plus 500 plus 1000 plus, right, u4 is D, and then use colon. Then u3 is C is equal to 1 by 4 bracket open, 2000 plus u4 is D plus u1 is A plus 500 and then colon, right? Sorry, this is 500, A plus 500. Okay, right. This is A plus. This is 500 plus what? Sorry. This is 500 plus colon. U4 is D is equal to 1 by 4 bracket open. U3 is C plus 0 plus U2 is what? Which is B plus 0. Teacher, 0 I have to type it, teacher. Not necessary, but writing the equations you write it. So that next problem if you want to do, you will not make mistakes. Okay, right. So please type all these things with the colon, right? After finishing this colon, we are going to get the last D, no need, because we are going to get A, B, C, D. Okay, all these things you type in the calculator. Now no need this diagram. So the diagram is over, right? So we are going for what? Chas, we are going to press. So what are the values we need when you press this one? We need, the calculator will ask you U2. So I'll write here. The calculator will ask you U2, which is equal to 625. The calculator will ask you U3, which is 875. U4, it will ask 375. After that, everything comes from there. So let me start the first iteration. Okay. First iteration, I'm going to start. Yes. Come on, press equal everybody. When it press equal, it will ask you the question, what is B? Give me 625. Press equal. It will ask you C. Give 875. Press equal. It will ask you 375. Now it will give you A, B, C. Okay. A means U1. Okay. And B means it is U2. And C means it is U3. And D means it is U4. Okay, right? So U1, U2, U3, U4. So what's your first iteration values? 1125, 750, 1000, and then it is 437.5. Fix your calculator for 4 decimals. I will try to give you, if not given, it is mentioned, it is 4 decimal places. Keep in your mind. If the decimal places is not mentioned, it's 4 decimal. For 9 values only, we told in the class 1 decimal value. Keep in your mind. So let me go for second iteration. Okay, again press equal, press equal, press equal. That's it. No need to enter any values. So your U1 is 1187.5, U2 is 781.25, U3 is 1031.25, and U4 is equal to 453.125. Okay, right. Even though I press 4 decimals, I'm getting only 3 decimals. Is it anything is matching? Nothing. 1125, 1187, 750, 781. 1000, maybe it will go 10, 8 or 9 iterations it will go. Let's see third iterations. I don't know how many iterations we came across in the class, right? Third iteration, U1, press equal, press equal, press equal. So let me press equal, right? So I got the third iteration as 1203.1250, 789.0625, 1039.0625, 457.0313. So nothing is matching. Let me go for fourth iteration, fifth iteration, and the sixth iteration. So fourth iterations, I'm getting U1 as 1207.0313, 79.10156, 1041.0156, 458.0078. Is it matching? 1207. No. All the 4 values must match. Keep in your mind. So again, I'm going for fifth iteration, which is I'm getting 1208.0078, 791.5039, and 10415039, and 458.2520. Almost 2 values are coming very near. 3 values are coming very near. And this is also, but decimal values are not coming near. So let me go for sixth iteration, 1208.2520, and 791.6260, and 1041.6260, 458.3130. So sixth iteration is over, nothing is matching. Let me go for seventh one, eighth one, and ninth iteration, right? So seventh one, I'm getting 1208.3130, 791.6565, then 1041.6565, then 4583282. Don't think how teacher is getting quick answers. I stop the video, then I'm calculate and coming back. So 8th iteration is 1208.3282, 791.76641, and then 1041.76641, 458.3321. Is it anything is matching? 32823130. Nothing. So ninth iteration, let me go, right? Ninth one is 1208.333, 791.6665, 1041.6665, 458.3333. Anything is matching? 333 nearest it's coming. 666 766 6633 it's coming. No. So let me go for 10th iteration, 11th iteration and 12th iteration. Okay. So let me go for 10th one. 1208.3333, 791.6666, 1041.6666, 458.3333. If it is 2 decimal, might be converged in the state of 6th iteration. Let me match here. 1208.333. Yes, matching. 791.6666. Oh, the 4th decimal is not matching. Let me go for one more time. Let me see. 11th iterations, I'm getting 1208.3333, 791.6667, 1041.6667, 458.3333. Almost last value is matching, remaining not matching. Let me go for 12th iteration. So it is 1208.333 matching. Wow. 791.6667 matching. Wow. 1041.6667 matching. 458.3333. So it's matching with what? 12th iteration it's matching. So therefore finally your temperature functions U1 is 1208.3333 and U2 equals 791.6667 and U3 is equal to 1041.6667 and U4 is equal to 458.3333. So these are the 4 values, okay, of U1, U2, U3, okay, right. So U1, U2, U3 and U4, right. So these are the values. Clear all of you? It's so easy in the calculator when you have 4 values, keep in your mind. So press this one in the calculator, all these things in the equations I just told you. So put everything as A, B, C, D in the calculator and type the equation with the colon, right? With the colon. I told you this is the colon, just keep in your mind. With the colon, all these things you're going to type it. And then press the button calc. When you press the calculator, it will ask you B question mark, C question mark and D question mark, like that. So those values are already, you have to keep it ready. Okay, yeah. This is your B value, C value and D value. Clear? Right, alhamdulillah, we have completed solving the Laplace equation at the square mesh center. Okay. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. East or West, Dr. Zahid Math YouTube channel is the best, right? So this channel is purposely made here to make you what? Learning easy and fun. Keep practicing, stay curious, and inshallah we will meet in the next video for more exciting MA 301 problems, right? Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.